Good morning, friends. Nifty analysis from ShareTradingSchool.com. Today, 13th May 2016. We have been tracking Nifty for last few days. We have said that Nifty is in bullish trend in intraday as well as in daily pattern. If you see both, this is a daily chart which you can see here, and this is intraday chart wherein we have taken an hourly chart. Pattern is bullish because all trends, all pattern as far as price is concerned, higher highs and higher lows are intact. This low, this is swing low, which is higher than the previous swing low. This is swing high, which is higher than the previous swing high. So daily chart is showing you excellent uptrend formation. Moving average setup is perfect, and all these things which are bullish, but as we said, price patterns, if you see day wise, then we can't see a proper confidence as far as bulls are concerned, because there is a range and shapes which shows that it's a slight consolidation plus news, international news, conditions, all those fundamental news are all actually sometimes gives us the break for this uptrend. And maybe just because price is near its high and at accumulation zone, price is actually facing resistance from every few points. Even it jumps, like yesterday, which you can see that price has tested this 7,900 level almost 3 to 4 time. 7,900 level, which we have referred in last video, and importance of that also we have discussed in the past. If you see again technically, this is inverted head and shoulder formation has already taken place, and neckline has been breached. So probably today is a day wherein we should expect a very good rally. Only again fundamentally we have got a very bad news. It's inflation has, consumer price index has gone up, industrial productivity has gone down. So both are actually giving negative news, and hence as far as fundamentals are concerned, comparatively, if you see, they are weak. This head and shoulder pattern, which is a bullish formation, news is very slow. Probably market will react to the news initially, but as far as price pattern is concerned, it should take that pattern and react as per pattern afterward. So gap down open may happen due to the news, but it will sustain. So probably Nifty may test a support today at this 20 EMA. You take a support, and again second time it may breach this 7,900 level. Once 7,900 level crossed, then we can see that we have taken a target of 7,972. This is a primary target, and 7,992, which would be a secondary target, just because price has been accumulating accumulated in that range in the past, and resistance has been tested earlier so many times. But if it is a head and shoulder formation, then probably target would be much better. If you see, this is a level wherein if you take even this bottom as 7,700 and breakout is at 7,900, so this is a head formation is of almost 200 point. So in 7,900 plus 200, so target comes to 8,100. So as far as this formation you consider, we can see that 8,100 will be a target for Nifty in near future, and that is the reason we are bullish as far as price is concerned. But don't forget this 7,992 and 72, this is very tough area wherein Nifty will really find it difficult to cross. So what we can do is we will book our profit here. Price may pull down and give another opportunity to buy at 7,900 once again. That time we will re-enter and then think to take a second rally and then go for 8,100. So today we will just focus only on this formation 7,900. Once it crosses, then we will get out of the trade at 7,972 to 92 range, and keep our stop loss below 7,820. And thank you very much, and I wish you best of luck for trading. Good day.